Hi everyone, it's Miss Morogi here, ready to read to you in celebration of our Reading Month activities. Today I'm going to read one of my absolute favorite genres, and that's the genre of informational text. And one of my favorite things to read about is space. So let's go ahead and read about our solar system today. The book that I selected is called Our Solar System, and it was written by Arnhilda Badia. Our solar system. The solar system we live in includes stars, planets, and their moons, dwarf planets, and many other celestial bodies. The sun is the center of our solar system. Our solar system is located in the galaxy called the Milky Way. All of the things in our solar system, including the Earth, are part of the Milky Way. Our solar system has 8 planets that orbit around the sun. The planets are divided into 2 groups. The first group includes Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. This group is called the gas giants because they are huge planets that are made mostly of gas. The second group includes Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. This group is called the terrestrial planets because they have a compact, rocky surface. The terrestrial planets are smaller than the gas planets. At one time, Pluto was also known as the smallest planet in our solar system and the 9th planet from the sun. Today, Pluto is called a dwarf planet. A dwarf planet orbits the sun just like other planets, but it is much, much smaller. And here is the picture of our solar system. And now we're going to read about the sun. The sun is a star. It is by far the largest object in our solar system. The sun is a hot ball of glowing gases at the center of our solar system. Without the sun's intense energy and heat, there would be no life on Earth. There are billions of stars like our sun scattered across the Milky Way galaxy. And that is the picture of the sun in the book. Now we're going to read about the moon. The natural satellite, or moon, is a celestial body that orbits a planet or smaller body. Of the inner planets, Mercury and Venus have no moons. Mars has 2 tiny moons. The large gas giant planets have extensive systems of moons. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite, orbiting Earth at a distance of 238,857 miles. That's 384,393 kilometers, and having a diameter of 2,160 miles, which equals to 3,476 kilometers. Sometimes it is called Luna to avoid confusing it with other moons. The moon is the only celestial body on which humans have landed. And here's a closer look of the moon. When you look into the sky at night, you can often see the moon. If you look at the moon for several nights, you will notice that it appears to change shape. Sometimes it may look like a circle, and other times it may look like a circle cut in half. Even though the moon looks like it changes shapes, it doesn't. What changes is the amount of the moon lit up by the sun. We only see the part that is lit. The different shapes of the moon that we see are called phases of the moon. The moon passes through a circle of 8 phases, which repeat itself every 29 and a half days. And here's another closer picture of the phases of the moon. And finally, now we get to read about the Earth. The Earth is the third planet from the Sun. The diameter of Earth is 7,926 miles, which equals to 12,756 kilometers. It is the fifth largest of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is sometimes called the blue planet or by its Latin name, Terra. We live on planet Earth. The abundance of water makes Earth unique in our solar system. Earth is also unique because it is the only planet known to have living things on it. There are almost 7 billion people living on planet Earth. About 30% of the Earth's surface is covered with land, while water covers about 70%. And again, we've got Earth. Now, because this is an informational text, we've got a glossary at the back of the book, and I'm going to review some of the vocabulary that we read. First, we've got celestial bodies, which are natural objects visible in the sky. Dwarf planets is a celestial body orbiting the sun that is massive enough to be spherical as a result of its own gravity, but has now cleared its neighboring region of planets and is not a satellite. We've got galaxy, which is a system of millions of stars together with gas and dust held together by gravitational attraction. Gas giants are large planets that are composed primarily of gases, not rock and other solid matter. Lit up is illuminated by the sun. To orbit means to move in a circular path around a star, planet, or moon. Phases are the appearance of the illuminated portion of the moon as seen by an observer on Earth. A satellite is a celestial body or moon that orbits a planet. Scattered means to cause to separate or to go in different directions. And then we've got terrestrial planets. And that is a planet that is composed primarily of silicate rocks and or material. So that is my book that I wanted to share with you today, and that's the solar system. I hope you enjoyed me reading this to you. I hope you were able to take away an interesting fact or something new. So I cannot wait to see all of you scholars back in our building. I miss each and every one of you, and I can't wait to see you again. In the meantime, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.